Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. And for this week, I'm going to be giving you the rice water 10-day challenge results for my skin. So first of all, thank you so much for my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. You're helping build my channel and I'm fast approaching 6,000. I'm just speaking that by faith, okay? But I did a 5,000 subscribers giveaway to some of you beautiful people. I left it in the details, what you need to do and all of that. And I want to say I've contacted each and every one of you who are the winners. You should be receiving your giveaway very soon. Thank you so much for participating. So, with all of that out of the way, let's get straight to the results. So as you can see, I burnt my forehead. As you can see, the map. Don't laugh. And my side areas here. They were burnt. Quite badly, as you can see. And then I went ahead and used an epilator to get rid of the peach fuzz on my cheeks that God blessed me and my family with. Hairy face. It's not funny actually. Incidentally, I have used the epilator again. Yeah, but I used it on the on this area, and it's been fine. You see, I think my skin was just shocked, and it didn't like it, and it rejected it, and it just hit back with some spots. So let's just get straight onto it, hey? Did the 10 days work? Let me get straight to the results, okay? So on the 4th day, my skin was looking pretty much like this. I was feeling kind of sad with myself because I was thinking, this ain't gonna work. I'm in trouble. It's gonna be a really bad results video and I'm gonna be left with bad marks on my skin. But I persevered. I just knew it was gonna do something great to my skin because it does amazing things to my hair. My pores by day 5 were non-visible. Like, my skin texture was smooth. When I was doing my nighttime routine, my skin was looking all kinds of shiny, like there were no crevices, there were no bumps. By then I was like, okay, faith had been restored and I thought I'm gonna keep going. So day 5 to day 10, I decided to switch it up and double the amount of rice water as a toner that I was doing. So in the morning after washing my face, I would go in with the rice water and just tone my skin. So I'll use it all over my face and then I would let it dry. And to seal in the moisture, I would go in with my all day face serum and my eye like custard for my eyes. And that's for the daytime. So in the nighttime, I would do exactly the same, double cleanse. I'll then go in with the rice water toner again, and then finish it off with all of my night oils and creams and serums and all of that stuff. This is the picture that I took, which pretty much came up the same results anywhere else in my house. So you can see here that my skin was starting to clear up. The hyperpigmentation was going and I was so happy. And so this is day 10. This is what my skin looks like now. I'm so pleased that the rice water didn't fail me. It is yet to fail me, I'm telling you. Hang on, one other thing I need to make notice of. When I was putting on my makeup, my half a pump of the Fenty Beauty foundation was not kicking it anymore. And I was like putting my makeup on and I was putting 2 pumps on of the foundation to cover up the spots. However, announcement I must make. So now I'm happily back to a reasonable amount of foundation. It's not quite half a pump, it's 3/4 of a pump. It's just a little bit over a half a pump. You can still see the map on the forehead. This one's taken a little while to go. It's a sister that doesn't want to leave the house. Do you know how many people have said to me over a period of time, like mums at the school gates, friends at church, what's that on your head? What's that blue thing? Or hang on, and they're trying to rub it off. No, I don't need to do that now. I just show my head and I'm okay. What I might like to add as well, I had so many emails from so many of you. This is how I know that I've been blessed with really good friends online. Thank you guys. I really appreciate all of your love. I feel the love. I feel it. Although a lot of you were saying like, you've got to take care of your outside. And it's very true. You don't need to enhance what the beauty God has given you already. And it's very true. However, if it's a new product, I want to try it, just like you, because I'm not defined by the outward, okay? My 47 years of being on this planet, I have noticed that it's really important not to focus on the outward apparel, because beauty fades. The Bible teaches me that. And what I'm so more focused on more and more as I get older is my heart, the state of my heart. Am I a nice person? Am I loving? Am I kind? Do I reflect the love of God? Am I like Jesus? Although it's so important to make sure that your outside is catered for and looks mighty fine. I'm not defined by it. So if something goes wrong on my skin or my hair, so be it. Hair grows back. Skin can be restored. So guys, thank you so much for hanging in there with me with this video. I realise it's a little bit long, but I hope you liked it anyway. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to share it with somebody. Come on, there's somebody out there that wants to know how to clear the hyperpigmentation and to get really nice, smooth, silky, soft skin. So guys, I'm going now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it for your time and your love. I'm going to be hanging around to answer some of your questions and your comments. Let's keep this conversation going, guys. Now, if you've come across this channel and you haven't subscribed already, you might want to consider it. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Remember, God loves you. You take care now. God bless. Bye.